dPDB, the dual passive direct box. This thing is really well built, man. Really solid. I love this thing. So it's got some nice feet on the bottom just to show you everything we'd want on here. But the cool thing, if you're going to buy a 1-channel passive direct box, you might as well get a 2-channel, right? And everyone's going to have their own use for this kind of thing. 2 ins and 2 outs and 2 throughs on here. We have a ground lift on either side. You got XLR outs on here. Everything is so clearly labeled right on top of the box. That's what makes this really nice for me. Got an attenuator on each channel coming through. And like I said, everyone's going to have their own reason for using this. What I was doing with this was running backing tracks. The drummer had an iPad. He ran his software out of the iPad into a splitter, and he put the click track right here and the backing track right here. And from here, you've got these 2 throughs right here. He came out of here, ran it into a little board that he could control himself, a little like 4-channel board. And also he could pipe his monitor back through the board too, and it just worked out really great for us. Of course, you can also send the sound out to the board too when you're done getting everything all set up. But what a really nice, totally solid piece of equipment. It's one of those things that does exactly what it's supposed to do. It works great, looks great, and it's pretty awesome. The dPD, the dual passive direct box by Applied Research and Technology.